All right, you're going to want to pay attention to this because something huge just went down in the world of AI. And this time, the story is coming straight out of India. We're talking about Reliance, which just dropped an entire suite of AI products that, it's sending shockwaves across the globe.
And seriously, that is not an exaggeration. We're not talking about one little product announcement here. No, this was a total bombshell, an entire AI ecosystem designed from the ground up for over 1 billion people. Get this, they dropped 14 major updates all at the same time. Just wow.
So how do we even begin to unpack all of that? Well, we've broken it down into 5 key parts to make it super clear. First, we'll look at the new company they launched. Then, we'll dive into the AI tools meant for every single Indian. After that, the powerhouse infrastructure that makes it all run. Then, what this means for Indian businesses. And finally, we'll tie it all together to see the grand vision for India's AI future.
Okay, first things first, let's talk about the company itself. It's called Reliance Intelligence, and their mission? Well, it's nothing short of incredibly ambitious. They want to build a complete end-to-end AI ecosystem in India and for India. When we say end-to-end, we mean they want to control the entire stack, from the massive AI models all the way down to the apps that you're going to use on your phone.
All right, so that's the big picture. But what does this actually mean for you, for the average person? Well, this first wave of announcements is all about one thing: putting some seriously powerful AI tools directly into the hands of every single citizen in India.
And the first tool they showed off, honestly, it's a total game changer. It's called Geophone Call AI. Just take a second and imagine having a super intelligent assistant listening in, ready to help on every single phone call you ever make.
Now, here's the most mind-blowing part. You don't need a smartphone for this. You don't even need an app. You just dial a number, and you use the keypad on any phone. Press 1 and it'll transcribe the call. Press 2, it'll pause it. Press 3 and boom, you get an instant summary. And of course, it supports multiple Indian languages even on the most basic phones out there. This is literally AI for everyone.
Okay, so from your phone, let's move to your face. The next piece of kit is called Geo Frames. And yep, you guessed it, we're talking about AI-powered smart glasses. The absolute killer feature here? Instant language translation. Just picture this. You're looking at someone, they're speaking a totally different language, and you're getting a live translation right there, in front of your eyes. It's wild. But that's not all, of course. They've also packed in a voice assistant, an HD camera for live streaming your life, and it all backs up to the cloud automatically. All right, from your eyes, now to your ears. Let's talk about something called GeoStar. And look, this isn't just some minor feature. This is advanced voice cloning technology that has the potential to completely flip the world of media and entertainment on its head. Just think about this for a second. Imagine watching, say, Lionel Messi or Shah Rukh Khan speaking flawless Hindi or Tamil or whatever your local language is, but in their own voice, with perfect lip syncing, the right accent, everything. The possibilities for movies, for ads, for sports, they're just absolutely massive.
And they're not stopping there with entertainment. You've got Ria AI for Hotstar, so now you can just say, hey, show me Virat Kohli's sixes, and it just plays. No more scrolling, no more typing. Then there's GeoLens for sports, which lets you actually change the commentator's language in the middle of a match or even pull up live stats right on your screen. It's pretty cool. Next up, they dropped something called the GeoPC Pocket Cloud Computer. And yeah, it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like, a full-power PC that can literally fit inside your pocket.
This little device plugs into any monitor or TV, and suddenly you have a full-fledged computer. But here's the real genius move, the part that changes everything. There's no big upfront cost for the hardware. You get the device, and you only pay for the computing power as you use it. It completely shatters the barrier to entry for owning a powerful computer.
Okay, so we've seen all these amazing tools for us, the consumers. But what's actually powering all this magic behind the scenes? Right, that brings us to our third part, the absolutely massive, foundational infrastructure that makes all of this even possible. And right at the very heart of it all is something called Bharat GPT Hanuman. Now, this is a big deal. It's India's own sovereign large language model. Think of it as India's answer to models like ChatGPT. It was developed with IIT Bombay, and crucially, it's designed from the ground up to really understand and speak in a whole host of Indian languages. We're talking Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati, you name it.
So where is this powerful AI going to live?
Well, in the Jamnagar AI data center. And the investment number here it's just staggering. We're talking between 1.5 and 2.5 lakh crore rupees. That's to build what will be the world's largest AI data center. And get this, it's designed to be powered entirely by green energy, and it's going to single-handedly triple India's current AI capacity.
But here's the thing. Reliance isn't trying to do all this alone in a vacuum. They've been very smart about it, forging some key partnerships with the biggest names in tech. You've got Google helping them build the Geo AI cloud. You have Meta working with them to develop AI tools for businesses. And incredibly, they're even talking with OpenAI to bring ChatGPT to India for up to 85% cheaper. That's huge.
All right, let's shift gears and look at our fourth section, AI for business. Because this isn't just about us as individuals. Reliance is rolling out a really powerful suite of tools designed to help Indian businesses grow, whether you're a tiny startup or a massive corporation.
Just check out the AI Create Hub, for example. For small businesses, for creators, this is a total game changer. The process couldn't be simpler. Step 1, you upload just one photo of your product. Step 2, the AI gets to work and generates a full promotional video for you. Step 3, you share it instantly. I mean, marketing just became radically simpler for millions of people.
And that's just one tool. There's a whole platform called GeoBrain, and it has over 500 different AI tools for businesses. We're talking everything from creating videos and music to detecting fraud to helping developers code and even tools for making podcasts. It's basically a complete AI toolbox for any modern Indian business.
Okay, we've seen the stuff for you and me. We've seen the massive infrastructure, and we've seen the tools for businesses. So now, let's take a step back, let's zoom out, and look at the grand vision that actually connects all of these different pieces together.
And this, right here, is the most important takeaway. This isn't just a random collection of cool products. It's a complete, top-to-bottom, fully integrated AI ecosystem. It all starts with AI tools you can use in your daily life, in your calls, in your glasses. That's all built on a foundation of easy-to-access cloud computing and India's very own AI models. And all of that is powered by some of the biggest data centers in the world, which in turn helps businesses innovate, and even pushes into things like robotics for farms, hospitals, and factories. You see how it all connects?
You know, when you put all of these announcements together and see them as one big picture, the sheer scale of the ambition is it's breathtaking. This is a strategy that touches every single layer of society and the economy, and it really leaves us with one final powerful question. Are we witnessing the very beginning of India's AI-powered decade?